Grabe, bay. Hello, rinig ba ako?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Kaya
Kakauwi
mo
ko
naman
lang.
pala magsalita, be.
Kakauwi ko lang. Tatanggal muna akong makeup. Bye.
Bye.
Ako may pick-up line.
Ano?
Damo ka ba?
Ano?
Damo ka ba?
Bakit?
Ang ganda mo.
Ako, meron ako knock-knock.
Ano?
Knock-knock.
Who's there?
Nagla.
Nagla. Who? Naglahu. Ouch. Ouch. Joke lang. Nawala.
Hello?
Nawala si Kulit. Totoong naglahu siya. Bumalik ka na, please!
Hello?
Hello.
Anong oras ba? Nasusuka na ako eh.
9 na eh.
Nasusuka na ako sa sasakyan. Grabe yung biyahe.
Pag ako nagawa ng speaker, nag-feedback.
Anong tawag dyan? Ibabaan ko yung volume ko.
Hindi na. Sobrang munye.
Sobrang Latin.
Sobrang munye.
Sobrang Laguna.
Ano ba to? Kanya-kanya ba tayo makikinig?
Hindi ko alam eh.
Hello?
How to play.
Parang ang saya nito.
Baliw! Tayo lang magpe-play. Wait lang. Ako na magpe-play. Sorry, Blue
Ah,
Absence.
sabi ko na nga ba, tayo magpe-play. Ah,
Okay? Are you ready?
tara na.
Go. Wait. Wait. Mm. Okay, blink twice muna. Sorry, tapos na agad. Naririnig niyo ako? Naririnig niyo ako, mami?
Oo, Joanna. Oo, rinig ka.
I heard you like confidence. Well, I've got a lot of it. So baby, it's common sense. Just don't be anonymous. I heard that you've been busy, yeah, I heard it through the grapevine. Trying my best not to step up on your leg. Let's have some fun with it. Cause you know I'm running it. Ooh, I'm lost inside your world. You got that symphony. Like that, that. You feel like a blink twice. Are you naughty or nice? Maybe I don't know spice. If you try to hold the knife, let me give it some advice. You got your blink twice. He's not even thinking of me. Maybe he's just looking at me. Crazy, baby, don't be lazy. Come on. Amaze me. I'm at this spot, baby. Tell me, are you ready or not? Don't you leave me waiting. I'm lost inside your world. You got that symphony. Like that. You feel like a blink twice. Are you naughty or nice? Maybe I don't know spice. If you try to hold the knife, let me give it some advice. You don't blink twice. He's not even thinking of me. Maybe he's just looking at me. You you really like me, baby, then just think twice. If you really like me, then you gotta roll the dice. Feel like I think twice. Are you ready? I'm tight. Baby, add a little spice, get under all the dice.
Ate Aya,
Can't
mute
you see
ka.
the lies? It feels like playing twice. He's not even thinking of me. Maybe he's just looking at me. He's not even thinking of me. Maybe he's just looking at me. Maybe he's just looking at me.
Okay, comments! Ano bang fun fact natin nung nire-record natin to? So, nire-record namin to 2 days. Ay! Yung MV pala. Wait lang, sa recording pala. Nirecord namin to sa LA Blooms. Matagal na. Like last year pa nung ano kami, while ginagawa namin yung, before namin gawin yung Canada na concert namin. So, nirecord na namin siya sa LA. Tapos, yes! Parang yun yung pinakamalaking recording studio na napag-recordan ko nung nag-record kami ng Blink Twice. Right, girlies?
Yeah.
Ate Aya!
Pwede ba sabihin yung ano? Ay, hindi na natin sabihin yung artist. Pero gusto yan ng isang artist.
Yung,
International artist. Itong Blink Twice.
ano pwede sabihin? Yung alin,
Yung
sorry?
pangalan. Wag na. Wag na.
Nang, so, ano ba mga fun fact natin?
Yun, doon
Nag-recording
natin na-meet
tayo
si
doon.
ano,
Doon natin
si
na-meet
si J Park tsaka si Agnes mo.
si J Park. Yes. And, speaking of J Park, ang next nating papakinggan, siya yung collab natin sa song na to. Ito, personal favorite ko. Kayo ba?
No. Iba yung favorite ko.
Okay. Okay, so ako, ito, personal favorite ko. Let's play it. Secrets. Feat. J Park.
Sometimes I see written on your face now. What's like you can't let it go. Maybe you can get it off your mind. Don't what feelings not enough. You can talk to me, we can work this out. Oh, I don't seem to get you out. All you had is something from me, baby. Oh no, tell me what's me now. Tell me what's me now. Oh, I wanna show you this. Yeah. Tell me your secrets, rush, I'm not giving up. Just tell me you can trust me, boy. Speak, let me hear your voice. Tell me your secrets, rush, I'm not giving up. Trust me, boy. When you make some noise, I feel from you. See you up, see what I can do with it. You want. Don't hold this time, don't stay tired, I'm in that work side. Is it all because of the past that you hurt? Is about you cannot talk to me. Just can't because of me. Just to let you know that's me. Don't say the catch you up. You find something from me, baby. Oh, tell me now. I wanna show you that. Tell me your secrets, not so I can come. Trust me, boy. Speak me your voice. Tell me all your secrets. Promise I'll be there. I'm not afraid of me. You're ready to make some noise.
Ate Aya, mute.
Tell me.
Yeah!
Ako na mauna. Fun fact.
Comments.
Ako na mauna.
Go.
Kasi nasa condo na kami. Mag-e-end lang ako. Alam ko
Go.
na. Pause ako nung nirecord yan. Pause nga ako niyan. As in, grabe pagka-pause ko niyan. Yun
Hindi
lang.
mahalata. Hindi mahalata.
Mag-leave lang kami ni Gwen saglit kasi darating na kami.
Okay.
Sino yung kumanta nung
Kayo
pangatlo?
girls,
Ang galing.
may fun facts kayo?
Jo.
Sino?
Galing,
Ikaw?
no?
Kaya nga parang grabe main vocalist talaga ang atake. Can opener.
Hindi ako yung mag-open dyan.
Nagto-toothbrush ka ba?
Oo.
Hoy! Rinig na rinig!
Fun fact. Ako na ba? Magsasalita ba ako?
Go.
Fun fact
lang.
is, dapat hindi siya collab. Tama ba ako? Ay, hindi ko alam. Parang, dapat collab siya, tapos naging Beanie lang, tapos naging collab ulit. Tama ba ako? Di ba tama ako? Nag-lag ba ako?
Yeah.
Ay, okay.
Yeah. So, na-record namin tong song na to, hindi kami sabay ni J Park. So, nauna namin siyang i-record lahat muna. Tapos, separate siyang, basta hindi kami sabay nag-record. Pero ang galing, no? Para tayong nag-match yung mga votes naman in fair. So, nung na-meet namin si J Park, nung na-meet namin siya, very siya bigay siya ng advices, ganon. Since galing nga din siya sa group. Yung iba,
Ako,
may
may
sasabihin
fun fact
kayo pa
ako.
from
May
for
fun
this
fact
song.
ako. Jo,
Ano? Ano?
yung
Ano?
isang song niya, nasa playlist ko, ang galing. Search nyo guys, Jam and Butterfly.
Search nyo daw, Blooms.
Uy, parang galit ka.
Hoy, wala! Baliw! Okay, next naman. Eto, etong Zero Pressure naman, kung mapapansin nyo, sa teaser, parang medyo siya, no? Bago sa Beanie, very siya. Medyo fierce yung atake niya. May choreo na kami dito. Hindi pa lang namin tapos, pero yes, let's play it. Woo! Yeah! Mas gumanda siya nung nung na-release na. Any
Oo.
comments?
Bakit tayo lang dalawa yung nagsasalita?
Hi! Baka hindi,
Hello.
baka pauwi ng iba eh.
Okay,
Baka
I'll
umaak pa
speak.
sa elevator.
I'll speak.
Go, speak.
Okay, go, bebe.
So, I love Zero Pressure. Thank you. No, I like it. Tas, maganda rin yung choreo. So, I'm excited to perform it live.
Parang for me, ito yung Dua Lipa
Yes.
vibes na song.
Yeah!
True.
Dua Lipa, Mika.
I'm here.
Guys, buhay na ulit ako. Magtatanggal lang ako ng makeup.
Ate Colette!
Ano pa?
Yes, why?
Comment ka muna
Ano
sa
bang
Zero
fun fact
Pressure.
natin? Si Ate Aya ba? Paakyat na, nakauwi na ba si Ate Aya?
Zero Pressure?
Hindi ginalingan ni Joanna yung isang line.
Baliw! Baliw ka.
Pwede mo sabi ko na.
Parang may mali.
Hello?
Anong mali?
Ayan na si Ate
Sa,
Aya.
sa,
Narinig ako
sa
kanina.
song.
Yes.
Oo,
Hindi.
kanina.
Ngayon lang.
Ay,
Naririnig siya kanina. Bigla-bigla kang nag-on ng mic.
Yung soundboard.
Ah, okay.
Hello? Hello?
Yeah.
Naririnig niyo ako?
Yep.
Yes.
Yes, I'm alive. Hello?
May comments kayo or may fun fact kayo sa Zero Pressure?
Yan favorite ko.
It's giving Dua Lipa vibes.
Oh, yeah.
It's
Favorite ko yan.
different attack ng Beanie. Maganda yung song. I like it.
True. Yeah, and the meaning din. Maganda yung meaning niya. Maganda yung choreo, guys. Abangan nyo yung choreo nito.
True.
Okay, are we
Joanna.
ready for our next song?
Jo,
Yes?
plinay mo ba yung from Spotify?
Hindi.
Kaya pala.
Weo. Okay. Gets.
Okay.
Okay. So, next song, Out of My Head.
Oh my God, I love this song.
Okay.
But,
Mamaya na.
but,
Okay, shut your mouth. Shut your mouth.
Later.
Okay, let's play it.
Mute.
Okay. Yung nagsulat nitong Out of My Head, siya din yung nagsulat ng Golden Arrow sa Ate Sab.
Favorite ko din tong kantang to. Gusto ko yung harmonies niya.
Yes. And parang ito yung maririnig mo sa Boracay, LU, no? Yung mga...
Party.
Oh, very party, pang acquaintance party, ganon.
Ganda ng rap nito. Ganda ng rap. Tsaka ng chorus.
True.
Sorry. Out of topic. Mix.
mm.
Dalan mo ko pimple pass.
Ako rin, Mix. Mix pa dala
Thank
ko,
you.
Mix.
Mix ako rin, Mix!
Okay.
Mix na lang
Okay, back to topic
Anyways,
tayo, guys, no?
Sa Out of My ng rap, tsaka ganda din ng pang road trip vibes.
True.
Ganda rin ng
Actually,
adlibs nito.
dati sinasabi ko Secrets yung favorite song ko. Binabawi ko na Out of My Head na talaga.
Yes, ma'am. Okay. May hindi pa tayo napakinggan?
Yung Beanie Mo remix.
Oh, yeah.
Hindi pa
Okay.
pakinggan yung ibang version ng Eme.
So, next naman natin ay Cherry on Top. Eto, ganda rin, no? Nung nalagyan ng Agnes mo. Eto din, Blooms,
Yes.
nung na-record namin
Nagtatanggap
tong,
lang yung song.
nung na-record namin tong Cherry on Top with, hindi rin namin kasama si Agnes Mo. Pero grabe, sobrang bait niya sa personal. Na-meet namin siya nung nag-record kami ng Blink Twice sa LA. Sobrang ganda niya, sobrang bango niya, sobrang galing niya, sobrang ganda ng boses niya
Kahit
talaga.
nung interview, naalala mo dyan, in-interview tayo sa TikTok.
Oo.
Diba? Genuine siya.
Tsaka grabe siya sumagot,
Mm-mm.
no? As in, ang grabe. Pangarap ko yung ganung sagutan niya na very on point and mahaba.
Talo si Aya doon.
Oo, dapat mag-one-on-one sila ni Ate Aya. Okay, ito na. Cherry on Top, Beanie Mo remix.
Parang may ibang boses yun.
My presence is a prison.
Oh my gosh, ano nangyari? Sorry, kumunik sa speaker sa labas. Nag-open sila ng speaker sa labas. Isa pa, sorry.
My presence is a prison. Celebrate, you're with me. Every day, comes up with the opportunity. You want to sweet, sugar on love. You want to fight, turn the heat up. Should be on top, should be on top. Wasn't no big, sweet as it can be. Should be on top. Drinking away, bringing some again, bringing on cherry lights. Yummy, yummy, yummy. There's something for ya. Something for ya.
Bam! Sobrang
Last song na yan.
Yes! Last song. C-H-E-R-R-Y. Grabe, no? I mean, for this EP, very talaga nag-explore talaga tayo. May nakakolab tayo na Indonesian singer, American-Korean na singer din ni J Park.
True.
Yeah. Malay nyo next EP, malay nyo, na, Blackpink.
Manifest.
Oh, Manifest. Sino yung nagsalitang yun?
Ako.
Kabos mo sa Ate Ayad, no?
Ay!
Yes! Ay! Any final message?
Shucks!
Yes, that's it, Blooms.
Thank you, Blooms.
Thank you sa pagsama sa amin. And, ayun, sana nagustuhan nyo yung EP namin. And stream nyo, guys, yung Beaniverse EP. Yung MV din, guys. Marami ako nakikitang comments kanina. Sabi dun sa lyric video ng Blink Twice, bakit daw yun lang, walang MV? Baka hindi pa nila napapanood yung MV. So, ayun po sa mga hindi pa po nakapanood ng MV, meron pong MV ang Blink Twice. Watch nyo po. May message pa kayo?
Naubos yung energy kanina, sobrang
Thank you, Bloom, sa pakikinig.
Thank you, Blooms.
Good night and
Good night.
stream. Good
you.
night.
Night.
Good night,
Ulitin niyo,
guys.
yes.
Miss!
Oh, wala pala si Mika.